Are the participants in securitization? Of seeing the participant in securitization, there are two parties. One is primary party and second is secondary party. Okay. What are the participants? The participant is a process of securitization divided into two parts, primary and secondary. What? The primary participant, main party is in the process. Primary participant is a process of securitization as follows. What? Originator, special purpose vehicle, and investor. What is originator? A company. Initiator of the deal, or can be termed a securitizer. The company, main company, company A, that use IPO. Then they go for listing. This person, this is the originator. From them, this company has been entity which sells asset lying in the books and receive fund for the sale of such asset through shares. This is originator. Special purpose vehicle. What is a special purpose? They created especially for the purpose of securitizing only. Originator transfer all the asset to the assets into special purpose vehicle. So this is a listed company. It's a non-listed company. They have high value. The listed company take over the non-listed company, or the unlisted company transfers the asset to listed company to increase the value of the listed company only to gain money out of it. Investors, the buyers of securitized paper, individuals or institutional investors. Who institutional investors, SBI, or kind mutual funds, normal individual also. What is secondary participants? What is secondary participant? The other parties involved in securitization process follow what are obligator, rate agency, receiving and paying agency, trust and trustee, credit and enhancers, and structurers. So you see each and everything you see. Obligator, the party who owe money to the firm and are assets to the balance sheet of the originator. The party who owe money to the firm and are assets in the balance sheet. What debtors? Usually debtors are in case of financial companies, they are lenders. They have given loan to them. Rating agency assess credit quality of a securitized asset. So an asset is coming, share is going to be listed. So this rating agency will go through it and perform all the ratio. And through the ratio, they will say how it is liquid, how it is risk, triple A rating, A plus, B plus. This kind of the rating they will give. Based upon the rating, the share has been listed. Receiving and paying agency, what is also called service or administrator. It collects money due from the obligator and passes to the special purpose vehicle like a Zaroda or a Sharecon, angel traders. These are the intermediaries, receive and paying agent, RPA agents who be the platform for the companies, the selling and the buyers. Agent and trustees take care of the interest of investors who acquires the securities. So what these kind of agents will be there, they will be helping you, they will be guiding you regarding what share to buy, how it is performing, what is the portfolio which you can afford, which is the best portfolio, that they will help you and they will be take care of your funds. Credit enhancer. What credit enhancer? Investors require additional comfort. Credit rating or issue creditors, which empowers marketable security. So credit enhancer originator itself a third party like bank provide additional comfort in form of collateral, letter of credit, and secure bond. Example: credit enhancer. Sir, I'm doing day trading. So day trading, I need security. So for the security, I had asset of gold of 1 crore. Now I don't have a liquid fund, cash fund. So the banks will get this collateral and give me cash collateral. So for that I can trade more. Such kind of credit enhancers are there, the credit ratings which is empower them to market the securities. Yeah, example of have a company, a share value of the company is 100 crores, but now I am not liquid. So based upon my share valuation, company is giving me credit. So this is also credit enhancement structure or what investment banker also arrange of the deals who brings together all the parties to deal with securitization. So they arrange the deal between parties and security. So they will help structurers or the person who helps in listing. Mostly listing is done by structurers. They will say, so this balance sheet how to be there, and they will pre-scrutinize everything. Then they will take steps to list the company. They help to list your company from starting to listing, and they help you to sustain the listing too. This kind of persons or structures.